Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. Wanted to make this video on 5-minute SMA or the 5-minute simple moving average. It's just another perspective on making trades. You can have it on any type of time frame. I want to show you it on the 1 and the 5-minute. For if you're looking to day trade or do a quick scalp intraday. I want to show you something pretty interesting here on this one. What I did is I went in, this is Thinkorswim's platform here. I just went up to studies. You could do add study, but I usually go up into edit studies, and then I type over here simple moving average right over here. I double clicked on it and it put it over here, right? So when I double clicked on it, I just moved this to 5, so length to 5. You can put it at whatever color you want. I put it at purple. And I made it the dots just to kind of differentiate from my moving average line. So you'll see I have the 9 and the 20 over here. The 9 is my blue line. The 20 is my red line. And you'll see the simple moving average. The dots that I have are, or I put them as dots, right? And it's purple. So I want to show you something that's pretty cool on this. So if you were looking to get in this trade, right? Obviously you want to do your proper technical analysis. You want to look, for daily breakouts and then potential intraday breakouts. And then you're obviously looking for charts and patterns, all that good stuff, right? So I want to show you something to pay really particular close attention to. So as you can see, excuse me, on the 5-minute chart here, it was starting to get outside of the Bollinger Bands and it was overextended. And you can see on this 5-minute chart, this is the 9 EMA over here. The green dots are VWAP. Pay particular close attention to this 5-minute candle right here. As you can see, if you look over on my 1-minute chart, you'll see there was a 1-minute, close below the 9 on the 1-minute. A lot of times, a close below the 9 is a sign of potential weakness. Although, the middle between the 9 and the 20 is the 13 EMA. So again, you got to look at a big picture. If you trade in the 9 and the 20, you don't necessarily need the 13 EMA on your charts. If you trade with the 13, you don't necessarily need the 9 and the 20, but you want to be aware of this, right? So if you were trading the ride the 9 strategy and you were going to kind of just get out if it closed below the 9, again, all a matter of your preference. There's several different ways to trade. But as you can see here, which is pretty cool, this closed below the 9 over here. If you look over on my 5-minute chart, you'll see that right over here was a bounce off the 5-minute. So if you could potentially gotten shook out right here, but you could have stayed in if you saw that it was bouncing off of the 5, right? So these dots are the 5-minute. You can see I have it over on the 1-minute as well. So as you can see, it's just riding this 5 SMA, and it didn't close. You had the bounce. It bounced right back up. Then you can see this line over here is a daily resistance line. It has to break above it for potential continuation. As you can see, once it broke above, it's now retesting, and you can see it's hitting right off those 5 SMA lines. So it's holding above the that resistance right over here, this resistance line on the daily of this 823-ish area. But it's going up against those 5 SMA dots. So you can see again, there was a candle close. Now this, let me move that. The price closed below the 9 again with this doji candle. It fell below the 20, this red line. It bounced right back up right to the 13, and it's been kind of just trading sideways. As you can see, these EMA lines are starting to trade sideways. So this is either going to break up or break down. It's kind of consolidating. As you can see, it's consolidating on the 5-minute. So this is going to choose a direction. At some point, it's either going to go up or down. But as you can see, it's right along those 5 SMA dots. So it's just something that you pay attention to. Obviously, it's a good momentum indicator, or if you're looking to scalp, it's just another visual on something on your chart that could be very helpful when trading. So we like having these 5 SMA dots on our charts. It's pretty cool. So I just wanted to, again, show you just to pay attention to this. It's another indicator that you can use when intraday trading, and helps you to potentially not get shook out. Or at the same time, if a stock's really overextended and it starts breaking below those 5 SMA dots and you want to profit take, it's a helpful indicator on profit taking as well. So if you've not been a member, or if you're not a member of our trading community yet on Facebook, make sure you come and join us. We are the Bullish Bears. Our group is called Stock Market Community to differentiate ourselves from our fan page, Bullish Bears. Again, all the same thing though. We are a great trading community, lots of people, no spam. We keep all the garbage out of our group. It's just really great content on a daily basis. So again, we're the Bullish Bears, one organization. Our group, this is the place that you come and you talk with people and interact, pretty much get your questions answered. Great interaction, a really tight-knit community. And then our fan page is where we post our updates and everything. So make sure you like and follow our fan page and join our group. The links are below in this video. And if you haven't been over to our website yet, head over to bullishbears.com. You can join our community over here. We have a nice banner here you can click on. We have a lot of courses. We have $3,000 worth of free courses over here to take. We have a basic course, a day trading course, some advanced day trading strategies, swing trading course, options course, and a Thinkorswim course. So make sure you take our free courses. Subscribe to our daily watch list and trade alerts that we send out. And come and join our trade room as well. We offer everything to our community members for free. So we give you lots of content, a few $1,000s worth of courses, a trade room, watch list, alerts. And in return, we're just a donation-based community. So if you like what we offer and you'd like to donate to give back and help our community grow, you could always donate right up over here. Click the donate button, and we would greatly appreciate your generosity. And pretty much last but not least, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the notification bell, watch our massive amounts of free content. As you can see, we have a great following. We're continuously growing on a daily basis. So again, hopefully this video on the 5 SMA dots and simple moving average helps you, and we will see you in our community. Enjoy.